We've learned that clarity is the foundation of effective prompt engineering. Now, let's explore how adding specificity can take your prompts to the next level. Think of clarity as providing a clear roadmap and specificity as defining the exact points of interest along the way. By adding keywords, details, and parameters, you guide the AI towards a more focused and tailored response. Let's consider an example. Suppose you need a summary of a complex topic. Instead of asking, "Tell me about World War II," you could narrow the AI's focus by asking, "Summarize the key events that led to the start of World War II." This specific prompt guides the AI toward a particular aspect of that vast subject. To illustrate this, imagine asking a broad question like, "Tell me about World War II," in a tool like Gemini or GPT-4. The response is likely to be clear but somewhat generic. It provides a basic overview but lacks the depth and detail that can truly enhance our understanding of this complex event. Now let's refine our approach with a more specific prompt. Summarize the key events that led to the start of World War II. When you run this query, the response is much more helpful. It zeroes in on the specific events such as the Treaty of Versailles, the rise of Adolf Hitler, and the invasion of Poland that directly contributed to the outbreak of the war. By providing a clear and specific prompt, we unlocked a more informative and focused response from the AI. Let's take another example. Imagine you're tasked with promoting a new product on social media. Your initial idea might be to simply ask the AI, "Write a social media post about a new product." This is a very generic prompt. It lacks focus and might not capture the right audience or interest. To improve this, let's add a bit of detail. Knowing the product is coffee related, you might refine the prompt to say, "Write a social media post about a new coffee product." While this is an improvement, it establishes the topic, it still lacks a clear selling point or target audience. To create a truly impactful post, you need to get specific. You could provide a detailed prompt like, "Write a social media post announcing a self-heating travel mug for coffee lovers." Emphasize solving the lukewarm coffee problem and include a link for purchase. This focus prompt guides the creative output, resulting in a post that successfully targets an audience, highlights a problem, showcases a solution, and includes a call to action. The key takeaway here is that just like instructing a skilled but literal minded assistant, clarity and specificity in your prompts are crucial for getting the best results, especially with AI powered tools. The more focused your instructions, the more likely you are to generate on target and effective content. Now let's consider another example. Earlier we saw how clarity is essential for getting the most out of AI research tools. We started with a broad prompt about AI in healthcare and transformed it into a clear request for an overview. Now let's go a step further by adding specificity. Imagine you're particularly interested in how AI is revolutionizing medical diagnostics. You can refine your prompt to focus directly on this area by asking, "Provide an overview of how artificial intelligence is currently being used in medical diagnostics. Include examples of how it analyzes medical images and patient data to improve disease detection." See the difference? We've narrowed the scope from the entire healthcare industry down to the specific field of diagnostics. By mentioning medical images and patient data, we're guiding the AI towards the types of applications most relevant to your research. With this specific prompt, you're far more likely to get a focused overview that directly supports your interest. The AI is less likely to waste time on irrelevant topics like AI-powered surgical robots or administrative tasks. So remember, the more specific your prompts, the more tailored and useful the AI's response becomes.